Let me shock you. I never went viral. No shoutouts, no crazy thumbnails, no lucky moments, but I was able to cross 1000 subscribers. And what grew my YouTube channel will surprise you. If you are a small creator, please listen carefully, because I'm going to tell you the biggest lie small YouTubers believe in. Small YouTubers believe they just need one viral video, and when that viral video moment doesn't come, you start doubting yourself, you start changing your niche, you start copying trends, you start losing your identity. I realized earlier that viral growth is unpredictable, but skill-based growth is controllable. That's why I chose control over luck. Now let me be honest. My first videos had low views, very low views. Sometimes 20 views, sometimes 30 views, or even less than that. No crazy comments, no big engagement, and that's where most small YouTubers quit. But I understood something. YouTube is not here to test your talent first. It is here to test your consistency. Before this platform rewards you publicly, it first checks if you can show up privately. And that's where I kept showing up. And I want you to keep showing up also. I focused on getting better and not bigger. Instead of asking myself, why am I not growing? I asked myself, what can I improve in 1 or 2 videos? One of my first videos I improved lighting, the next one I improved delivery, the next one I improved my hook, then the next one I improved my title. Small improvements compound. Most small creators want explosive growth, but YouTube rewards incremental growth. Every upload was practice. Every video was training. Every mistake was education. And that mindset changed everything about this channel you are seeing right now. Here is another thing that helped me grow. I stopped trying to talk to everyone. When you start trying to talk to everyone, you end up connecting with no one. Instead of saying, hey guys, I started speaking to one person. That small creator who is discouraged. The person under 500 subscribers. The person thinking of quitting. When you speak specifically, your message hits deeply. Depth builds loyalty. Loyalty builds growth. Before I built an audience, I built identity. I asked myself, who do I want to be known for? Not what is trending, not what gets clicks, not what people are copying, but what aligns with who I am. When your content matches your identity, you become consistent naturally. And consistency is attractive. Your audience should know, if I click this channel, this is what I'm going to get. Clarity builds trust. Trust builds subscribers. I embraced the boring phase. Let's talk about something no one wants to mention. The boring phase. The phase where views are low, growth is slow, nobody is hyping you, nobody is sharing your content. That phase builds most creators. Because if you survive that phase, it means you are not doing YouTube for attention anymore, but you are doing it for purpose. And purpose outlasts hype. Most creators quit in this phase, but for me, I didn't. And you also, you are not going to quit in that phase. What actually pushed me to 1000 subscribers, it wasn't one video. It was accumulation. It was consistent uploads, clear niche direction, stronger hooks, better thumbnails, studying what worked, and not quitting. Growth wasn't dramatic, it was steady. And steady growth is powerful because it builds the real audience for you. If you are under 1000 subscribers right now, don't chase viral, chase improvement. Don't chase luck, chase skill. Don't chase attention, chase identity. Because when your moment comes, you won't just go viral, you will be ready. If this video was of help to you, please subscribe to this channel. Check out on my playlist called How I Grew on YouTube series. There I will be showing you everything. Thank you and see you next week.